very breezy today. We're currently on day 13 of our current tour in Scotland and not too sure if this vlog is going to come to anything today, guys. We're walking along the prom at the moment at Ayr, and we're hoping to make our way to Greenan Castle. It's a little ruined wreck on the end of a little cliff top at the end of the beach at Ayr, so that's the plan. Weather is not great, rain expected, so yeah, we're going to see if we get there, guys. If we can get any footage, we will. If not, you won't see anything, guys, and all that. So not too sure if we're in distance of the airport still to get the drone up. I don't think we will because it's too windy, guys, and I think it'll just come out of the sky. So yeah, so if anything comes of today's filming, we'll edit it together, guys, and we'll show you. So we'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Right, as you can see, we're still heading towards the castle. I'm guessing it's still about 3/4 of a mile away. This is right at the south end of the beach and a bit further round. So we'll just have a look over. Ayr right in the distance. That's probably, the town is about 2 miles away from here. So at the moment from the campsite, it's been about a 45-minute walk. I was expecting it to be about an hour and 15 as per Google Maps, so I think we're making good time. I just need to find out, see if there's any access up to the top of it now. Right, almost there, guys. We're just walking through the fields. Nice old lady told me the best way to get to it, and I think she might be right. And we're in, what they say, spitting distance of it now. So yeah, we've almost come about 3 3/4 miles, I believe. This is from the campsite, guys, so expect a little walk back if you have walked, or maybe you can get a bit closer if you come up in the motorhome or got a car with you. Right, I think we've made it. Not too sure on the history of this place, guys. Right. Greenan Castle. This is right on the cliff top. Windy up here, guys. I was tempted to put the drone up, but I don't think I dare. Careful, there's a cliff top here, guys. The doorway has been bricked up. Just have a little peek through, someone's made a little hole. Nothing really to see in there. Little birds, I bet, get in there. So we've got Ayr in the distance. Hopefully we're going to take that beach way back, if there's another way down, which I believe the lady says there is. So So yes, we got where we intended. We're just going to take a few photos now. Right, let's just spin around again. And that is Greenan Castle. Right, we're just dropping down the other side now. Hopefully this will bring us back onto the beach. You can have a look at it from the beach side. The tide is out at the moment. Right, at least we got here, guys. We achieved what we planned to do today. Weather looks a bit iffy, a lot of black clouds around at the moment, so I think on our way back we'll be putting the old Mac on. Right. As I say, there's this little dirt track from the top of the castle, and it leads us back down onto the beach, which Sky's now happy she's seen. Another view there, guys. Castle. Right. Must admit, that looks pretty good, guys. I'm tempted just to get the drone out, just to do a little droney from here. It's just a backward movement, and then we've got to head all the way back down to Ayr. And of course we'll have a little play with Sky on the beach. Right, hope you enjoyed that little clip, guys. That was a little droney from the drone. It was just a backward movement. Would have liked to have done a circle around it, but it's far too windy, so at least we can keep our eye on it. So as you can see, we're walking on the beach now. As I say, we'll have a little playtime with Sky on the way back. We'll just put the old Mac on. It looks very threatening in the distance, so we might get a excuse me, a soaking or a drenching on the way back. So Greenan Castle.
Are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors, I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars.
Right guys, this is our last full day here. It's Wednesday morning and that, so we'll probably just have a riverbank walk this afternoon, somewhere more local to the motorhome. As I say, this will be about an 8-mile walk by the time we're done this morning, and then, as I've probably told you before, tomorrow is moving day again. We've got about a 3-hour journey back down to the Lake District, and that we're going just down to Kendal. Just a one-night stay, just to break the journey up, and that. So, and then Friday morning we're gonna set off home. So we no vlogging done on Friday. We're planning to leave by 6-7 in the morning, and we've got the 200-mile journey back down to Northamptonshire, and then weekend we can get the motorhome cleaned out, and yeah, work on Monday. In North Norfolk, I think, up to, I think it's Deepdale, so that is the next one for us all. Right, we're just walking through the sand dunes now. Hopefully we'll get back on the prom soon. I'll be able to drop back on the beach a bit later on, so Sky can go in the water. One last time. Leave nothing but your footprints on the beach. Right, it's very gusty. Got sand almost blowing in our faces here. To be honest, it's a July day, but you'd think it was February or March, or even October or November. Very dull and rainy in the distance there, guys. That's where we've just been, Greenan Castle. So we're just going to drop back on the beach for just about 10 minutes. We're not going to find the sea. The sea is too far out this morning. I think we're on full low tide now, so it's just a little playtime.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Right, I'm going to say thanks for watching, everybody. We're going off the beach now. We're going to end this vlog here, I think, guys. So yeah, appreciate you watching. Didn't really plan on doing much today, but I think we got to Greenan Castle and that. So yeah, cheers. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like on any of these vlogs you may have seen over the last 2 weeks, guys, and that I really appreciate it. All helps the channel grow. Please spread the word, motorhoming fun to all your friends and all that. Yeah, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow when we leave